Oh my gosh, it's a box. Wait, why is there a box here? Oh, that's why. Well, let me tell you what, this looks awesome. So it's probably something pretty dope, and there was probably no hints anywhere in this video. Anyways, oh, that was a bad idea. Anyways, this is probably something, and let's open it and see what it is. There's a box. There's a box inside a box. Boxception. Woohoo. Not wasting any time here, boys. Oh, hey, look, it's a yellow thing. Oh, hey, look, it's a thing. Oh, it's a vacuum cleaner. It's a black one. Wait, is this black or is this purple? Whatever. Ooh, it's a handle. Look at that. It's a handle. And we got some bubble wrap. This is wrap that's been bubble-ified. And I actually don't know how I'm going to get this out. Well, wonder if there's any way to get this out of the package. Maybe if I can just set this over here, prop it up with this Febreze bottle, and pull this out. If it's not stuck, which it apparently is. Ah. Ooh. Oh, the handle lock broke. Oh, that's not good. I think I have a handle lock though, but that's unfortunate. Seems like the handle lock broke during transit. Well, we have a hose with dust in it. Not too much though. Probably just cardboard dust. So this is a hose. It's very stretchy. And we have an extension wand with a crevice tool. See that? Kind of blurry. You can see it. And more bubble wrap. Anything else in here? Comes with a free sock. And not much else. Some free newspapers. And free bubble wrap. Woohoo! Alright. This is a vacuum cleaner from the lovely Vacuum Observatory. Look at this. Oh, this lock broke. Oh well. This is a Bissell CleanView Bagless PowerTrak Plus. Ooh, it has a filter indicator. I didn't even notice that. Ugh, it's kind of scuffed up. No big deal. Wide PowerTrak. Let's see what the model number of this puppy is. The sticker's a little bit warped. Model 3593-3 from the 177th day of 2004. And there's some hair stuck underneath this sticker. That's no big deal. So this goes here. Missing the dusting brush, but that's no big deal. They always are missing the dusting brush. I'm still trying to find one of these original CleanView dusting brushes. I can't find them anywhere. I know I have the combo tool that my PowerTrak Revolution has. And in fact, I just realized I actually have a spare one of those, so I can actually put that on here. But it's not the original dusting brush. And also, this handle lock is broke. Dang it. I don't remember it being broken. I think it broke during shipping. Oh well. I actually do have one of these locks somewhere. I don't think I got rid of it, so I can probably just put that on. No big deal. So, Bissell CleanView PowerTrak Plus. And there it goes. Alright, let's put this thing together. As you can see, I've saved you the boring detail of putting the device together, since obviously the only screws to speak of is the one screw for the handle and the two screws to put in the hose assembly. So, you can see the device is all together, and we can give it a test run now. I will say it smells pretty nice. So I did turn it on for half a second just to make sure it's not going to blow up. Although, if it did blow up, I would definitely get that on camera. So, nice long cord. Put this on the high setting. This filter, all good. I'm sure it is, but doesn't hurt to double check. This filter, all good. Nice. Very clean. Boom. And HEPA filter. Obviously I can see the brush roll is fine because of the clear window. Nice orange HEPA filter. Match the color scheme. I like that. Alright. Cameron also said that it's missing the headlight, but that's okay. I need to buy some extra bulbs for my machines anyways. So, nabbing an extra for $2 is no big deal. Speaking of $2, that's pretty much how much, that's technically how much I paid for this. Although, I did end up actually spending 20 bucks on this because most of that cashola went to the OfferUp gods. But, you know, Cameron did give me a really good deal on this. So, I'm definitely not complaining, even with the little pedal thing that broke. But at least it's not, you can tell it's really loose. So, it's more so just lost its tension. I still think it's actually like broken, but it's not like snapped off. I can still at least manually push it back into place. So it's very similar to my Dirt Devil Ultravision Turbo in that respect. So I'd much rather have it be to where I have to push it back in than have it actually be snapped to where it doesn't stand up at all. But you can tell if you put it up in place, you have to kind of pull it back a little bit to get that tension. But the way my carpet works, where the machine leans back no matter what anyways, that kind of forces it back into place. So that's no big deal. I don't know how these scratches got on the handle. It looks like someone, yeah, those are actual scratches. It looks like the previous owner before Cameron got it must have been kind of rough with it, but that's what tends to happen. Also, for some reason, this turbo brush, this is one of the earlier Bissells where the turbo brush has like no space to actually pull it off. Like you can tell, it's just completely flush. There's no section to put your fingers in to pull the turbo brush out. So I'm actually not sure how to get this out. I guess just, well, that's interesting. I actually don't know how to get this out. Ooh, that hurts. I'm trying to pull this off. Yeah, what the heck, Bissell? This was an awful design. I'm so glad on the newer units they actually put these little spacers here so you can reach in and grab it and pull it out, but I guess I'm never using this turbo brush. Oh well, I have plenty. Alright, let's try this out. Well, it sounds perfectly fine. It sounds about the same as my Power Force bag, my 3522-5. It sounds like it's right in between that and the PowerTrak Revolution, but a little bit more towards the Power Force, so definitely not an unhealthy sounding motor. I mean, sure, it's worn out a little bit, but its bearings are definitely serviceable. It's definitely a usable machine. The brush roll buzzes quite a lot, kind of like my Power Groom did. I felt it vibrating the entire machine. Maybe those bearings need to be oiled on the brush roll, perhaps. But this should be okay. I hope that brush roll is savable, if worst case scenario, because obviously those yellow brush rolls are really hard to get. Since they don't make them anymore, they only make black ones, so yeah, or I guess unless you like put like a red one in from a Helix Turbo or something. But yeah, so that is definitely something. So let's try this.